Hello, I'm in a 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your traction control. Typically you want it on, but you might want to turn it off if, say, you're on some rough roads where you want to make sure you don't get stuck based on how that whole control works, like some loose gravel or ice or something in particular. Or if some vehicles, if, say, you're towing as well, you might want to have it turned off. But otherwise, you have to have the vehicle started, which this currently is. And then you'll see an indicator on here. If there's nothing, that means it's on, and if you see it's off here in a moment, it's off. But the control for that is just right here, this button. So we'll push it, it's off, on, on. That's all you do. And as you can see here, there's your indicator, the TCS, that's traction control. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. And then, yeah, it just stays however you have it set as you drive. So I set it and forget, but obviously you want it on most of the time. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.